Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to organize your tasks beyond just projects? Let me show you how to use labels in Todoist to add another layer of organization. First, what are labels? Labels are tags you add to tasks. They help you filter and find tasks across different projects. For example, you can label tasks at phone or at computer, regardless of which project they're in. To create a label, go to Filters and Labels in your left sidebar. Click the plus icon next to labels. Name your label and choose a color. To add a label to a task, open the task, click the label icon, and select your label from the list. Or, in any task list, click the label field and start typing. Here are useful labels for GT users. Create at phone for calls, at computer for desk work, at home for household tasks, at errands for things to buy, and at 5 minutes for quick wins. For content creators, try labels like at blog, at YouTube, at Instagram, at draft, at scheduled, and at published. This lets you see all your content work across different projects. For work management, use labels like at urgent, at waiting, at feedback needed, at client review, and at blocked. Now filter by labels, click a label in your left sidebar to see every task with that label across all projects. This is incredibly powerful. Pro tip, combine labels with due dates. Use a filter query like at phone and today to see all phone calls due today, or at waiting and subtask to see delegated tasks you're waiting on. One limitation on free plan: labels are unlimited, but custom filters are limited to 3. So use your filters wisely for the label combos you check most often. And that's it. Labels help you slice your tasks by context, priority, or status, no matter which project they live in. If you use labels, let me know your most useful one in the comments. See you in the next one.